Hi everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito ng reaction video ang Sonara, but this time, this is their interview crumb, shall I say? Kasi marami nagko-comment sa akin, nagawa mo naman ng reaction video yung kanilang interview, Q&A portion with Sonara. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tinangan natin. Sonara pala, hindi Sonara. Ay.
Actually, kung gusto pong maging lugar ng Sonara, Escolta po yun. Bakit?
Ano daw?
Kasi Escolta po is rich of history, and ang dami niya pong napagdaanan, daming culture na nangyari, but it's still standing today, and it's of course continuously evolving.
Oh, in fairness, magaling sila magsalita,
Na same po din sana mangyari sa Sonara sa Escolta na we hope to make something or create something.
May meaning kung bakit nasa Escolta sila.
Hopefully make history too. Yes!
Ay, taray.
Tingin niyo ba Sonara will make history?
Yes, of course. Di ba, Coachella, agad-agad. Chares.
Now for our next question, marami rin nagtatanong
Eureka,
ito because when
love mo,
you guys debuted and when everybody knew kung ano yung pangalan nyo, lahat
Oo.
kami napatanong, uy, anong ibig sabihin
Yes.
nun? So pwede ba explain natin
Sonara,
sa
go.
lahat ng nandito at sa lahat ng nanonood, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng
Wait, lang, sino ba
Sonara?
nilagay nila?
Yung Sonara po kasi, meron pong tatlong anagrams. So that's Sora, Sonar, and Nara. So yung Sonar po, yun po yung nagre-represent ng story po namin, yung boses po namin, our sound beyond sight. Yun po yung core po ng aming pinagdaanan. Ito po yung nagre-represent
Excited
po
ako sa
sa
kanilang
aming
buhay.
mga boses po at
Sana
storya.
naman, no? May storytell.
Tapos yung Sora po, we really look up to her as a revolutionary figure. Kung
Revolutionary
kilala niyo po si
figure.
Tandang Sora, siya po ay very influential. Thank you po. Very
Yes.
influential po. She embodies
Josefa yan, Mrs. Coda.
compassion,
Chares.
courage, and that's what Sonara stands for as well po. Nara naman po, national tree ng Pilipinas. And ito po ang nag-represent sa grid po namin na Sonara. The
Okay.
Filipino resilience in
In
us
fairness,
po.
walang number ang
Tapos yung
kanilang
X,
name.
it represents the limitless possibilities of us girls.
Wow, limitless
All of us
possibilities.
po,
Uy, ang
we
galing
have
ito magsalita.
a lot
Ano
of
man yun ito?
potential, a lot of room for
May
growth,
kumita, ma?
and it also stands for you, me, everybody.
Alam mo,
It represents the
matalino sila,
inclusivity
ha?
of Sonara.
Ano ito si girl? Ito pa lang mo. At saka yung isa, dalawa pa lang naman yung sa salita, eh.
Grabe yung pag-present mo ng pangalan ng
Oo, si
Sonara.
Megumi. I love Megumi
Narinig ba
for
kayo,
today's
guys?
video.
O nahumaling lang kayo sa beauty nila?
Actually,
Sonara,
true.
tatlo. Sonar, Sora, and Nara.
May quiz tayo mamaya.
May
Diba
quiz
may
tayo.
quiz, Dominico? Okay, so, paano naman napili ito? Paano nyo nabuo yung Sonara?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
tell us why this name was chosen?
Actually, the Sonara name was chosen because it represents who we are as a group. And since
Ang
magkakaiba po kami
talino.
lahat,
Bakit ganun sila magsalita?
we all have different
Lakas
personalities,
makabobo sa akin
stories,
kasi
and
ang
strengths,
talino
and we
nila.
embody those in perfection po. And not just the name Sonara, and it also creates
Tingin ko talaga wala
it
akong
also
alam sa
creates
mundo.
community where
Matalino.
every voice
Hindi,
matters
malalaman ko na sa tabi ng bida
everyone
nila,
has a
matalino
place to
sila.
be.
Wow, very
Ano
well
yun?
said. Thank you so much, Lay. Okay. Ano naman ang
Lay?
una nyo naging reaction
Wala
nung
naman,
narinig
diba?
nyo na kung ano yung maging official group name ninyo? Pwede
Ayan,
bang kwentuhan nyo kami? Paano
Ano ba
nangyari
yung fandom
yun?
name? Solrox?
So, kidding aside po, sobrang happy and proud po kami nung nalaman po namin yung name na yon. Kasi syempre ito po yung something that we can call our own na po. And this is
yes.
something that
Totoo
will
naman.
carry po kung kahit saan po kami magpunta, sa mga places na mabivisit po namin, at sa mga tao po na may meet namin along the way. Yun po.
So
Yun
nice.
pala yun. Okay, ngayon naman pag-usapan ang Tabi! Okay, so tell us about your debut track, Tabi. Ano ba yung kwento behind Tabi?
Tabi.
So, yung kwento po ng Tabi is actually it's not just some song that introduces
Ang ganda nila
Sonara,
magsalita.
but it's actually a celebration din po ng
ganda
mga
nila
nalagpasan
magsalita.
namin. Kaya nga po yung kanta namin, My Wave, kasi parang ito yung peak and trough, yung ups and downs ng journey namin. And yung nalagpasan po namin bawat yun, na-accept namin
Yung
siya and
nalagpasan
we
pala, feeling ko
celebrated
from,
that. And sa
Visayas
Tabi
to siya,
naman po na
si Ate Girl.
title,
dito po marami po actually meaning. Kasi po, yung tabi first
Anong
is
province
sa Bisaya.
nito?
Tabi.
Bisaya.
Like, alam niyo po yung
I love
tabi.
Bisaya.
Pag tabi, tabian, mga something to talk to, ay something to talk about. Yun po yung tabi sa Bisaya.
Bisaya yun.
Ah.
Meron ba mga Bisaya dyan?
Yes. And also, sa Japanese naman po, it means journey. Kasi may half
Journey.
Japanese din tayo dito, si Megami.
Si Megumi. Half Japanese.
Konnichiwa.
Half Japanese pala si
Isa ka,
Megumi.
Japanese ka nga.
Konnichiwa,
Konnichiwa.
私たちはソナラです
Ay, magaling siya. Alam mo, si Megumi is parang si Morris at Amo.
may
Nakikita ko sa
Bisaya
kanya.
meaning yung tabi,
Alam, ganda
may
pala ni
Japanese
Megumi.
meaning. Ano bang meaning, Tin?
So, ang meaning
Si Tim
sa
maganda din, si
Tagalog,
Tim.
syempre, is tabi, which means to move away, or tabi.
Move away.
Pwede niyo ba bang kaming tabihan?
Ay, talaga, go. Go. Bakit hindi?
Yes. Kaya yun po yung meaning ng tabi. Sana na-enjoy niyo po.
Yes, na-enjoy niyo ba ang tabi?
Suffer. Charot.
Okay, pag-usapan naman natin yung recording process nila. Ito na, magkakaroon
Recording
tayo
process.
ng
Okay, go.
glimpse into their process. Kumusta yung recording nyo? Tsaka paano na-assign sa inyo yung bawat part sa tabi?
Oh, this is a question that we love to talk about po. Because we love our process, we love the craft po and making music. So, the way we did it po is when
Ito
we were talking with
soft-spoken
our
siya, no?
producers and we got
Si
the
Eureka.
instrumental po,
Eureka is so
we actually
cute.
divided it into parts.
Sexy ni Eureka?
And there's so
Baby
many
eyes.
stories. Each
My
part has
God.
its own story po. Each part has its own demo. For the chorus po, the chorus is such a like combination of all of us po. It was a melody from me and Ate Yura, and then lyrics from Ate Tin and Kate, and it was such an amazing process for all of us po. And we're so happy to share it with all of you guys. Because
Okay.
honestly po, at first, it was just an assignment for us, which is really crazy now to see that we can share this song with all of you, and we're so happy po.
Wow! Okay, so thank you for explaining that. Kasi talagang, alam nyo ba, sobrang rare yung debut song o debut single ng isang grupo. Sila mismo yung gumawa. Palakpakan naman natin ang Sonara! Okay, now, Lay, go ahead, Lay. Anong favorite
Si
part mo
Lay.
ng Tabi?
Siya si Lee.
Actually po, yung favorite part ko sa tabi is yung pre-chorus.
Sampol.
Sige, sample. Sample mo yan.
Chorus. Bakit ang gagaling mo magsalita, ma'am?
Pangapi ako.
Bakit ganun?
Every step and groove, I know you'll be feeling it too. Oh, now,
Oh!
Buong-buo yung boses.
Ay,
tapos,
parang-
ano, yung dulo ang sweet.
Parang feeling ko ang
diba?
alto siya.
Okay,
Oo.
bakit yun yung favorite mong
ang
part?
sarap po siya sa feeling.
Masarap sa
Sarap sa
feeling.
feeling.
Masarap po siya
Gaano kasarap?
Yes.
Charles.
How about you, Nami?
Ako po, yung
Sinabi,
favorite
sinabi.
ko po, like
Ganda
LSS
din
po
ni
ako dito.
Nami, ah. Parang si Bianca Di Vera. Bianca Di Vera, Bianca Umali. Sa totoo lang.
Parang
Okay.
ginagawa kayo ng line, ah. Ako actually yung wag ganon, wag ganon.
Oh, ganun din.
Kasi sinasabi talaga ng mga Pinoy yun,
yun.
di ba? Wag ganon, wag ganon. Oh, sobrang pop culture reference. Ang ganda. Thank you so much, Nami. Ikaw naman, Megumi.
Hindi ko po sure kung magagawa ako po, pero sobrang astig niya po. So, move tabi-tabi, move tabi-tabi.
Sabi, ah.
The sultry line.
God, parang,
Move tabi-tabi. Okay, thank you so much, Megumi. And Eureka?
Titingin ka niya. Saan dalahan?
Ayan. Ako po, siguro yung part po ni Ate Tin. Ito'y pambatang panalo kahit marami ng talo. Uwa ko'y laging panggakang sa nalalaman ng alaw.
Gusto ko yung tulo, no? Exclamation point. Thank you, Eureka. Ella, how about you?
Me po, oh my goodness, I'm so worried I'm gonna pronounce it wrong.
Kaya mo yan.
Padali kinaanim idari, run, ay ariba.
Ang galing!
Mga kalon. Bakit sila mga kalon?
Dire, tsaka Arriba.
Ah,
Parang iba.
Five, six, seven, and...
Batalik ka na animatory, run, arriba. Period.
Hey, baby girl. Anyway, so this is it for today's video from Sonara Q&A portion. This is Kiki Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!